Idea for here we have MDX, Acura MDX. It's 2007-2013. The same should be the same. So we are changing this bulb in a fog light. So as you can see, one is off. In particular, this one it has two. We're talking about this one. I already took attempt to remove it. So what I did so far, I put it on the rake, as you can see, both of them, and I need to access through this department, and this is another trick to turn the wheel so you will have more clearance for yourself. So yeah, I believe, and also you can, pretty sure you can do this without rake, so it basically give you more room to operate here. So also I already took it the bulbs from previous attempt. So and here's what we're talking. Let me make got focus. Oh, come on, give me focus. Okay, so should be this way. So and 9005 and the same I was reordered the same 9005. So it's from Philips in this case. It says more 30%. It's, at least in this case, it's pack of two. And here's the light. It's on yellowish side, so it's not ridiculously blue. And I don't like that it's brighter, so maybe I will have situations that I need to replace not only this one, but because it will not match this one, because it's kind of yellowish and older. So we'll see. So, but in any case, at least I need to put one of them. Okay, so the first part, what I will be doing, I will take out screw, this one, and it's a Philips one, so I will get Philips screwdriver and take this one, screw out. So let's put aside. So this is better, but it looks like I need to pull it out, and this additional border and holding it, so I still need to go under. Let me show you guys. So again, we here, we go under, and I temporarily remove only one this piece. I don't know if you can see it, guys. Let's make it focus. 1, 2, 3. 3 bolts. We'll take them out. So I will use pliers here, so it shouldn't be too hard. Make it loose. Oops. And here one. Also it has washer here. So let me do this. Okay, one is out. We're talking about like this screw with washer, so don't forget washer, it will hold better, this one. I'll lose a little bit this bolt, yeah, it's out. So I'll screw by hand. Okay, second one almost out. And repeat the same exercise with the third one. Okay, it's coming out. I will pause. Okay, almost there. We're getting close this one. Okay, we took this out. I'll put aside. So again, one on the side screw and 3 bolts to holding this piece. I guess we should good to go to have better access to this part. So let's see. So in this case, we should be good. So what I'm doing here, I will try to pull this piece out. So it's kind of uncomfortable to do so, but I'll use screwdriver, maybe something, to get in and take it out, as you can see. So I'm pulling out this piece of basically plastic out. So yeah, getting there. Okay, I have access. So as you can see, we have access over there, and basically by hand I'm going and fish for appropriate connector there. So yeah, if you need to get the previous bulb, you will do clockwise and you will get it. So as you can see, hold on, you don't see most probably in here. Let me move the camera. So you can see this plug. So as I said, I already took it out, previous one, so I will get new one. We'll open this box. Oops, yeah, oh, easy one. Only just one for now, just one bulb here. It's not easy to do. Yeah, here we go. So we got it. So let's compare to the previous one. Yeah, it got the focus. So it's previous Silvia versus Philips Solenia. So yeah, it's pretty much the same. So and connectors are also the same. And again, this is it's called 900 HB3 if I'm not mistaken, and 9005. So yeah, let's plug it in to this. Again, as you can see, I'm getting OZL plug, and there's connector that will hold. Goes this on top, and this is that clutch that will do it. So I will put it here for now. And before connecting completely was there, but I guess it should be alright to put it in. So when you go inside, you're basically looking for that slot, empty slot in my case, for that light, fog light. And when you do it, in this case, I can see it, and in this case, clock direction. I put it inside in place. So let me start the card and check the light. And we got it. So this one. Let's move to the next part, this one. I don't see a big difference, so I'll need to step out for a little, hold on. Okay, let's step back and see what's happening. This one and this one. I would say, it was probably not in the camera, but I don't see a little big difference, which is good for me. This is, I would say, like a little bit brighter. Maybe, I don't know, it's 30%, maybe 20%, but not too big. And luckily the color warmness is the same. So again, I believe I will consider it is good and leave as it is, so it will save me time to not actually replace that one good one. So we good, and let's put this cover back to bulb. Thanks, we can recycle that. We'll one extra here, so again I will not replace another one. And let's put the cover back. So you can see, basically stuck it back. So again, it's not super elegant or snappy, but it can be done. And as you can see, I'm just doing it with my barefoot hands. And the whole idea to put this one screw, what I'm doing here, at some point you really need to get to the hole. So let's see if I can make it. It looks like it's working, because on the other hand you usually need to stick it out to make sure that you put in the hole. But in my case I was lucky to get it right. So this part back to normal, so everything we need. And just the last part, a piece to the puzzle. We will put this cover back again, just using these two screws. And let's see how we can do this. Again, we have our new shiny bulb there, which is good, but we need to go under. Okay, hopefully you can follow from here. So the same direction. Here it will fit perfectly in the same location. I will snap middle one, it doesn't matter. So screw it, this bolt by hand. Come on, come on. So one is in. I will not tie it firmly yet. We'll snap another one. It's easily going there. And you know, while you're watching me, guys, I will do number 3. Okay, so I did everything good, and we'll do not super firmly, but with plier tied them. This bolt's better. This one and this one. Okay, so it's stay good. And again, and we're done. So it was about to change. So again, this screw also back. It was a replacement of fog light on Acura MDX. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you next one. Bye.